Salam, this is Unity and I'm here to do another Queen's order. All right, y'all, so this order is going to California. This particular sister, she picked some beautiful pieces. All right, so let's get into it. First one that this beautiful sister ordered is Beautiful Energy. I just did one of these. I think I told y'all in that video I had another one to do. Did this one a little slightly different, and I really like it. Came out really beautiful. And it's on a listing with another one say Beautiful Struggle. I put a picture up here so y'all can see that. So it's in a listing with two different ones. So this is Beautiful Energy. And this is the back. Yep, so that is that. All right, the next pair that this sister got is one of my biggest sellers. It's been selling for years. It's called, I have it in another version too. I'll put a picture up so y'all can see the other version that I have it in. But it's called It's a Queen Thing, and it's all in me. I could be anything that I want to be. So these are always fun to create. Yeah, and these came out really nice. So these are all these that I'm showing y'all are listed on boabw.com. And this is the back. Little finger paint, little glitter. All right, so the last pair that this beautiful sister ordered, and these are called Know Thyself earrings. And this one say, I'm beautiful, brilliant, powerful, and resilient. It's from one of the NDRE songs. That's what that inspired that. And this sister is gorgeous. And then on the back, I did something a little different. I tell y'all, each pair of earrings, I try to do something a little different just to give it its own uniqueness. You know, put a little carper here. Beautiful gold plated bead. Nice lead-free hypoallergenic hooks. And this is a beautiful pair. All right, y'all. So this order is going to Torrance, California. I want to thank this beautiful sister for supporting Boabw original hand-painted earrings. Some of the dopest hand-painted earrings on this earth. So y'all support that. Also support K.Noir Designs, where I have one-of-a-kind pieces, and I also have Unity Afrocentric trace stencils over there. Go support that. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.